Hello, game na. Number 3, PS5, triple integral ng y is raised to z from dz dx tapos dy. Tama ba yung order? No. Yung limits ng z ay x, so dapat ang susunod sa kanya ay x. Tama naman, x yung susunod. Then, yung limits ng x ay y, so dapat ang susunod kay x ay y. Tama naman. So, tama ang order natin, pwede tayo mag-proceed. No? E di inner function muna tayo. This one, inner function. Ayan. E di y is z. No? Integral with respect kay z. Ang y is constant, no? So, ang nag-integrate tayo with respect kay z. So, para lang tong nag-integral tayo ng kunyari, 4e raised to z, dz. Ganun. 'Di ba? So, ano bang integral ng ez, 'di ba? Easy lang din. No? Over derivative ni z, which is 1 lang din. So, e raised to z lang. So, ang integral ng inner function natin ay no, y squared 1, sulat lang natin. Then, no, ang integral ng y e raised to z ay, no, hindi ganun lang din, y e raised to z, no, then evaluate natin yung limits, no. Evaluate natin limits, nag-integrate tayo kay z, no, with respect kay z, so dapat yung limits natin ay with respect to z, to, z equals 0, no, then, dx, dy. No, don't forget, para di natin makalimutan. Then, plug in lang natin yung mga values ng z. No? So, ito ay equal na sa 2, 1, y squared 1 ay y e raised to ln of x minus y e raised to 0 dx dy. Then, ito ay magiging 2, 1 y squared y, no? Y times e raised to ln. E raised to ln of something is kung ano yung nasa loob ng ln. So, magiging y times x lang to. Minus y times e raised to 0 is 1. So, magiging, ito ay magiging xy minus 1. No? Unahin natin si x kasi wala lang, trip ko lang. Yan. Then, no? Sulat na natin yung magiging integral 2, 1, y squared y x y minus y dx dy, no? Y is constant, no? We're integrating with respect kay x. So, y is constant para lang tayo nag-integrate ng, kunyari, 4x minus 5, ganyan, no? So, paano ba tayo mag-integrate ng ganyan? Power rule lang natin magiging, no, x squared y over 2 minus, no, xy, no? Yan, evaluated at, no, yan, nag-integrate tayo with respect kay x, so dapat evaluate natin with respect kay x. X equals y squared, x equals y dy, no? Then, plug in lang, no? Plug in. Palitan si x ng y squared, palitan si x ng y, no? Magiging y squared y over 2 minus, no, y squared times y minus, no, x equals y naman, y squared times y over 2 minus x times y, edi y times y yun, dy. Simplify natin. Magiging 2, 1, no, magiging y squared, magiging y to the 4th times y dy to the 5th over 2 minus y squared times y edi y cubed minus, no, y squared times y cubed over 2 edi y cubed over 2, no, minus y times y edi y squared, no. So, positive, negative, positive. Kasi negative dito, tas may negative dito. Distribute natin yung negative. Yan, distribute yan. dy. Then, no? Simplify lang natin further. 2, 1, so ay y to the 5th, 2 minus, no? Y cube minus, ay negative y cube minus y cube over 2. Hindi magiging 3y cube over 2 plus y squared dy. Yan. Then, simplify lang natin, no? Magiging, integrate na pala natin, no? Power rule na lang. Y raised to 5 power rule. So, magiging y raised to 6 over 2 times, no? Siyempre, yung carry over natin yan, yung 2. Then, 2 times, no? 6 din, kung ano exponent. Minus 3y cube over 2 times, no? 3 plus 1 to. So, magiging 4. Magiging 4. So, yan. Magiging 4. Tapos 2 times, syempre, edi 4. No? Plus y cube, no? Squared siya dito, power rule. Magiging y cube over 3. Evaluated at y equals 2, y equals 1. This is going to be equal sa y raised to 6 over 2 times 6i, 12, minus 3y to the 4th over 8 plus y cube over 3. Tapos, evaluate natin siya at y equals 2, y equals 1. No? Di magiging 2 raised to 6 over 12 minus 3 times 2 raised to 4 over 8 plus 2 raised to 3 over 3 minus, no? 1, no? Plug in lang natin, no? Yung mga values. Palitan natin yung y ng mga values. No? First term, y is 2. Second term, y is 1. 1 raised to 6 over 12 minus 3 times y times 1 raised to 4 over 8 plus, no, 1 cube over 3. Ayan. Sa 12, no, meron tayong maka-cancel dyan, no. Pag dinivide natin si 12 by isang 2, magiging 6 siya. Yung 6 na yon pwede pang i-divide sa 2, magiging 3. So, nagtanggal tayo ng dalawang 2, so magiging 2 raised to 4 na to over 3. Or basta brute force nyo na lang din, pwede din. Yan, 8 pwede natin express as 2 raised to 3. O yan, 2 raised to 4 over 2 raised to 3, cancel to. Ito magiging 1 na lang. So, magiging 3 times 2 na lang yan, 6. Plus 2 raised to 3 ay 8 over 3 minus 1 over 12. No? Plus, no? 3 over 8 minus 1/3. Yan. Simplify natin. 2 raised to 4 ay 16 over 3 plus 8 over 3 minus 6. Itong tatlong to. Ayan. 16 plus 8, 24 over 3, that is 8. No, minus natin sa 6, magiging 2 na lang. Then, ito naman ay negative 1 over 12 plus 3/8 minus 1/3. No, magiging, no, ano yung greatest, yung least common multiple nila. No, edi 24, no? 2 over 24 plus 9 over 24 minus 24, 8. Tama ba? 2, 24. Oo, tama. Ito ay tinatanong. Okay. Then, ayan o. Simple math na lang, no? 2, yan, 2 carry over natin, minus 2 over 24 plus 9 over 24 minus 8 over 24, magiging 47 over 24 yan. No, kasi 2 is 48 over 24, 9 minus 8 ay 1, no, positive 1, minus 2, negative 1, 48, minus 1, 47. Okay.